First of all, open your Google Chrome browser and go to the GitHub link. The link is in the description. All the steps you need to perform are available there. First, the step 1. You can either open your terminal or your Windows PowerShell. I prefer Windows PowerShell. Open the Windows PowerShell and enter the commands pip install SELENIUM and press enter. Here you can see I have already installed. The screen will be different for you if you have not previously installed it. Now let's go to the step 2. You need to install the Chrome driver. You can just press in the link and then go to the latest stable release and download for your own OS. For Windows you need to select the third one. After the zip file is downloaded, just extract the chrome driver.exe and put it to your desired location. Now let's go to step 3. Moving on to step 3. Now this is very important. You need to enter your Google Drive path. You can either download the code from GitHub or just copy and paste the code in from the Google Automate.py and paste it on your Python file. Now you need to go to line 22 and enter the path of your Google Drive, the .exe file which you just downloaded. I assume you understand what I mean by path. Make sure to give the correct path or else your script won't run. Give the path properly and move to the 4th step. On line 28 you need to enter your email address, the email address you use for your classes. Make sure you type in your correct email address. Now let's move on to step 5. On line 35 you need to enter the password of your email. And you are done. You just now need to run the script. You can just right click and run the Python in the terminal. Now it will ask you for your Google Meet link. Just enter the link and press enter and your script is ready to run. You don't need to do anything. It will automatically log in and enter your classes. But there's a problem. You just need to exit the classes. Be sure to exit your classes or your teachers will surely catch you. Yeah, here you can see all the pop-ups will be automatically handled by the script and it will also ask to join your classrooms. Enjoy.